Hey guys, how you going? Welcome to my YouTube channel, ADV with me. So all you'll need for this installation is an SAE charger of your choice. This one's good because it has an on and off switch, a voltmeter, and it also has USB type A and USB type C output. The next piece of kit you'll need is a length of SAE quick connect. So this section here plugs into there. Then that plugs into the fused SAE connector of the bike. So this here is the fused SAE connector, negative and positive terminal. It's got a 10 amp fuse as well, and it's got a weatherproof cap as well. So that's handy if you don't want to have that accessory plugged in the whole time. Now this bit's really straightforward. We've got the 3 bolts here for the air filter. So I've loosened these earlier, so it comes off nice and easy. So we'll just take that panel off. That exposes your air filter. Then we'll take this, and we'll loosen that so we can get this panel off to get to the battery. So as you can see, here's the battery. You've got your negative terminal here and your positive just there. So there's 2 little screws on top with washers that keep the connectors onto the battery terminal. So we'll just loosen both and throw on the SAE connector. So with these battery terminals, there's a little nut at the bottom. So that's got to grab the screw to push down onto the terminal. So if it helps, just get a little screwdriver just to pull it up. And then once you tighten it, that should do the rest. That's done. We'll get some cable ties and we'll get that all nice and held in together, and we'll keep the fuse just sort of up here so it's all together with the battery as well. Got that like that, and we'll have this down, and we've got enough room there for this to sort of come out here on the left side of the bike. So we'll just trim this one, and we'll do this one. So that's the 2 done, and we'll just tuck in this fuse housing there. Just going to turn the bike on and see if we get a reading from this SAE plug. Cool, bike's on. We'll just take the cap off and we'll plug in the charger. That's plugged in. Turn it on. Now we're getting a voltage reading of 12.2. So that's all good. Okay, so that's it with this SAE quick connector installation. As you can see, it was pretty straightforward, but I thought I'd do a quick video just to help anyone out there that might be having some issues with it, or sort of show them what they needed for the job. But other than that, job's done. Took a whole 5 minutes. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more stuff like this. And once again, thanks for watching. Cheers.